Welcome to our TNC channel. Today we are at Qudra Lake, one of Dubai's hidden desert escapes. Just a short drive away from the city, this man-made oasis is surrounded by golden sand dunes and endless desert views. As we arrive, the fresh breeze and peaceful sound of nature set the mood. The lake is home to over 170 species of birds. You might spot swans, flamingos, and even desert foxes roaming nearby. It's the perfect place for a day trip. Whether you want to cycle on the famous Al Qudra track, enjoy a picnic with friends, or simply relax and take in the stunning views. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns into a masterpiece of colors, making Al Qudra Lake a magical spot to end the day. So, if you're looking for nature, adventure, and a break from the city, Al Qudra Lake is a must-visit destination. The area around Al Qudra Lake is fully covered with trees and plants, turning the desert into a refreshing green escape. It's a rare sight in the middle of the dunes. Shaded spots, fresh air, and a peaceful atmosphere surrounded by nature. You can reach Al Qudra Lake by any car. Even though the road isn't perfect, it's still easy to drive and accessible for everyone. There are no specific parking lots at Al Qudra Lake, so you can simply park anywhere around the lake and enjoy your time close to nature. You can hear the soothing sounds of birds all around, and the sight of clean, calm water makes your trip truly amazing. You will find birds very close to you, moving freely around the lake, making the experience feel even more connected to nature. Al Qudra Lake is a man-made oasis built in the Dubai desert as part of the Al Marmoom Conservation Reserve. Created to support wildlife and offer a natural escape, it attracts birds, animals, and nature lovers alike. With treated water and thousands of trees, its purpose is both sustainability and recreation. A green paradise in the heart of the desert. Opened to the public in November 2018, this desert oasis has quickly become a favorite spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Visitors come here to enjoy peaceful walks, spot wildlife up close, and soak in the serene desert landscape. You can enjoy a relaxing day by sitting near the water, watching the birds, or taking a peaceful walk along the lake's edge. The lake is open all year round, but it's especially pleasant to visit during the winter months when the weather is cooler and more comfortable. There aren't any proper sitting areas, so it's best to bring your own setup. like a carpet or folding chairs, to relax comfortably by the lake. We saw people coming with tents, so camping here at night is also possible for those who want to enjoy the desert under the stars. The great thing is, the area is well maintained, with garbage bins available everywhere. Just be sure to dispose of your waste properly, or you could face fines from the authorities. This oasis is a hotspot for flamingos, where you can often spot these beautiful birds up close, adding color and life to the serene landscape. On the other side, the water looks crystal clear, but it's not recommended for drinking. You can follow the direction boards to explore other areas of the oasis and make the most of your visit. Most visitors come for picnics or family gatherings. We even saw people setting up their own birthday celebrations and special occasions by the lake. In the middle of the lake, you can spot many birds, especially ducks, swimming peacefully and adding life to the water. Swimming in the lake is prohibited, and you could be fined by the authorities if you try. You can enjoy a relaxing barbecue picnic while taking in the view of the lake and watching the birds around you. What we loved most was the clean water, the lush green surroundings, the sounds of birds, and the overall relaxing environment. We decided to head back before sunset, but if you plan to stay longer, you can. The area has a lighting system that allows visitors to enjoy the lake even at night. We hope you enjoyed watching our day at the lake. You can comment your feedback and suggest any place in Dubai to explore. Stay tuned for our next episode as we discover another beautiful spot.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.